What is up, guys? Yo, we got today a catch can. It's only a catch can on my truck. Burning too much oil. I replaced the valve cover gaskets already, but I got a lot of oil in the intake manifold, so got a catch can. It's a pretty legit one. Got some decent weight to it. It says oil catch can. You know, pretty legit. Came out of Amazon packaging. You know that's the. But yeah, that's that. Anyway, this is what came in. You got some Teflon tape on it. You got a little varieties of nipples, I guess they're called. You got 2 hose clamps. You know, and they come with this where that with this little hose provided with it. But I mean, I think it'll work, but it seems a little too flimsy too. I don't know. But anyways, I'm not gonna use that one. I got some from Advanced Auto. I got some guy to cut some hose out. He ended up cutting this size one. Let me tell you the size. 3/8, right? I got 3 feet of it. And then I'm gonna be using these nipples. We're gonna call them nipples because they fit there. And because this hose is the same size as where this one came off with, which is a PCV hose. This is the inlet to the, what do they call? The valve cover, and this is to the intake manifold. So that's how it's gonna go. So one side. So let me set it up for you, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look somewhat set up. Oh damn, I gotta look up. My bad, guys. I don't got a camera guy out yet. Anyways, this is gonna be, and I'm gonna try to build a bracket with this somehow. But I think it'll work. Alright, guys, just a quick mock-up how it's gonna look like. This side's gonna go to the intake, the right side, that's the outside, and the inside to the left side is gonna be this little hose. It's gonna come from the valve cover. Let's go check it out. I got a big ass lift on my truck right now, so I need a ladder. You know, I got it pretty lifted off the ground. 37s. I wish. I just got some. What are these called? Ramps. There you go. I got some ramps. Get my little ladder. Anyways, guys, this is where it's gonna go. I took off the Vortex Max, you know, cover. Then I took this little plate cover on here. I don't know what it is. Take that out the way. This is the top piece right here. Top piece is where the hose connects to. And here's where the other one connects. On the valve cover, all the way in the back there, this hose right there. So you're gonna connect the one that says in, the left hose on this one, right here. And then the right one coming through this one. And I'm gonna try to mount it somewhere right here. I might just mount it just temporarily with some zip ties, because I might just do that, all right? That's what we're gonna do. Let me try to set it up, see how it looks. All right, guys, so I got it set up after a while. I built this little bracket for it. You know, oh Lord, I painted it black real quick, put it on there. You know, just, you gotta look at the back, just look at the front. It looks clean. And see, this is the hose I was telling you about. Goes to the valve cover, and comes back up into the inside, and then into the out. This one comes around and goes into this one. Oh wait, jeez, guys, hold up. Stand my stomach on this, leaning over it. Hurt a little bit. Anyways, I'll let y'all know how it works. I mean, I'll keep y'all posted on it. You know, the video will continue. But I was working on my truck. You know, I kind of broke this other kind of PCV looking thing that goes from that manifold into this one. So I just RTV'd it. And sorry guys, I'm a little sick right now, cold. And then this was leaking oil, so I just like put the what's it called, the O-ring was sticking out, so I put it back in. I just sealed it up so it doesn't leak anymore. But then I broke this in the process. Let me try to get y'all see that. I'm gonna let it dry up, then I'm gonna peep at it. You know, I'm gonna let it sit for now before I turn it on. Hopefully that works. Hope that works. But for now, guys, seems it's about it. You know, that's pretty much it. Gotta put that back together. Oh yeah, this piece goes right here. Goes, which way does it go? Oh, that backwards. Goes, there you go. And the 3 bolts, your bolt holders are up there. And that's about it, man. Also, guys, from that previous video, I actually ended up cutting my exhaust. Gonna end up cutting it right there, both sides. Let me try to get y'all in here. Oh, see, Super 10s, you know, well, Amazon Super 10s, Super Flowmaster 10s. You got the X pipe right there. Ended up cutting them right here. I'm gonna leave them right there like that for now, but eventually I want to put them coming out the tailpipe. I mean the back end. But for now, I mean, it'll work because it used to be coming out of one side with one pipe and it wasn't loud enough and it didn't sound cool. So now it sounds cool. I'll let y'all hear it in a bit after that thing dries up there. But y'all won't know that because with YouTube editing, it didn't work because I'm still here. Maybe give it 5 hours and then I'll do it. But I'll still put it in. Hey guys, so here's the exhaust now. I'm gonna try to put y'all, I don't got a camera dude or a stand. I'm gonna try to put y'all in a spot that works. Behind a tire. Hopefully I don't fall. Alright guys. And basically, guys, I just want to have something like this. See, 2 dual tips, 2 duals. Yeah, I want to have that on my truck. Or the side exhaust. A bunch of guys be telling me have it side exhaust, like not side exhaust, but like have this pointing out here and pointing out towards the end instead of these coming out the same side. Anyways, well, I'm gonna do that. Hopefully that works. Honestly, because then if not, I'm fucked. But should be good. All right, deuces, guys. Guys, I just took out the catch can oil. I've been driving it for a week and so far, let me get out this sunlight. This is what I got. Got a little oil. All right, so we got some oil out of it, so it is working. But see the metal flakes? I think that's from the top of the cap since it's machined. I should have probably cleaned it out, so I can't use this oil again because it's full of those metal particles right there on the side. Pretty sure it's from how it's brand new and it's just what do you mean, freshly off the milled machine or whatever. And so yeah, unfortunately can't use it, but it's okay. I recycled oil, so you know, just put it there. Anyways, I need to clean this out. I'm gonna clean this. Oh, it looks like an oil filter, but it's been working good, guys. I don't know about the oil level yet. I haven't checked it, so I mean it should be a little low, but I mean I just add oil. It's not as bad. At least I'm catching the oil now instead of just burning it. And yeah, so far it's going good for the oil catch can.